How to use the UV Cure Putty for modeling. UV Cure Putty. It is semi-transparent white. Upon exposure to ultraviolet light with wavelengths of 365 to 405 nanometers, it turns opaque white. Remove the model supports. Grind the support contact area. Clean the surface of the part to be repaired and open the lid. Apply an appropriate amount of putty to the part. Close the lid to prevent the putty from being exposed to both outdoor sunlight, indoor lighting, and UV light. The thickness of each application should be less than 1 millimeter. For thicker repairs, apply the products in multiple layers, curing each layer with a UV lamp, wavelength 365 to 405 nanometers, for 30 to 60 seconds. Note: the products have a slight odor, which is normal. It is recommended to use it in a ventilated environment. After curing, trim the unnecessary parts using a hobby knife. Polish the repaired parts using 600 grit and 1000 grit sandpaper.